Te KURA Reo Rua or Waikirikiri celebrated a number of milestones this weekend with its 50th jubilee as well as 30 years of its total immersion Māori unit Te Whanau Reo Maori. Formerly known as Waikirikiri School, the Kaiti Kura opened a new innovative learning space as part of the celebrations. Current students and staff have been looking forward to celebrating their kura. A large part of the school's identity is the total immersion Māori unit and its bilingual status. The community is proud to celebrate 30 years of its Te Whanau Reo Maori unit. The event has been an opportunity for current and former staff and students to share their memories about the kura. The occasion also saw the return of two former principals, the first principal of the school, Fred Williams, and the second principal, Don Sinclair.
Well, years ago I think I was the first principal here. That was quite some time ago. We had a row around about 92, I think, at the time. But it's been a very pleasant stay here. Thoroughly enjoyed it. It's a pleasure to be back again. Yeah.
Mr. Sinclair was instrumental in the kura attaining its bilingual status as well as establishing the Te Whanau Reo Maori unit.
When I came here it was 420 or 30 kids, but these communities that were built all of a sudden after the war had a huge influx of children and then that number dropped off. So by the time I left here in '88 I think there was probably about 350 kids. So we set up the immersion unit we had 4 teachers, 2 teachers who taught bilingually, which we were allowed to do, and we had 2 teachers in an immersion unit.
Nukutai Memeha is the name of the new learning space, named by Te Whanau Reo Maori kaiako Karen Mahuika, who has been there since its inception.
When we started there were very few resources in Te Reo Māori, so we had to make a lot of our own resources. There's some of them on the table here. We spent hours taping the books together, writing them by hand. We had no computers in those days, so at least the staff these days, there's a lot more resources available in Te Reo Māori.
Acting Principal Lisa Olsen-Brown described the learning space as a multi-purpose hub with a focus on whānau.
It's an innovative learning space, so we'll have our senior students working in here. We've refurbished it so that we have the capacity to do some technology studies in here and also to use it as a space for our whānau to participate in as well.